My name is Azalea Landero. I've been working at Milacron for 2 years as an aftermarket person and 6 years as a regional service manager for the Lower West Rio Grande region. My perfect aspect to work here in Milacron is the diversity of cultures. The people is great here in the company, so I really enjoy to work here with them. And Milacron is the best place for me to be.
My name's Randy Roth. I've been here almost 30 years, and I'm a regional manager for field service. The thing I enjoy most about working with Milacron is the way it's family oriented. Most employees stay here for a long amount of time. The average tenure here is probably 15 to 20 years across the plant. We just build those relationships, and we get along well, and it's a joy to come into work and see those faces every day.
My name is Shipley, and I'm a screw design engineer here at Milacron, and I've been here for about 3.5 months. So some of the things I enjoy most about working here at Milacron is the culture. I feel like I can really relate with people here, and I feel comfortable working with them, and that makes me really enjoy coming to work every day, and also how I'm respected and everyone values my ideas and inputs.
My name is Kristen Jackson, been with the company 7 years, and I'm the Human Resources Business Advisor. What I enjoy most about working at Milacron, I get asked that question quite often. To me, it's one word, it's opportunity. I started at Milacron pretty young in my career, and there were so many amazing leaders here that took a chance on me. They gave me opportunity to try new things, sometimes a lot of work, a lot of long hours, but I've had plenty of opportunities to excel in my career. I'm hoping to have impact on all of our leaders, to coach them on how to bring in strong leadership, to ensure that everybody, all of our 2,000 employees, have that same opportunity I did.
Hi, my name's Richard Sewer. I've worked here at Milacron for 45 years, and I'm a wireman. I like coming to Milacron to work. I've worked here for 45 years. I've provided for my family, raised 5 children. I enjoy wiring, and I like coming in here.
So my name is Scott Mason. I'm the National Service Manager here at Milacron. Been with Milacron for 34 years. What I enjoy most about working at Milacron is the people. It's been a great organization to work with over my 34 years. I've developed a lot of friendships, a lot of basically family support. These guys and gals here have been great to work with. It's been a place that you can say has been family oriented. To me, Milacron has been that organization to allow a lot of family to be a part of everyday life.
Hi, my name is Azalea Landero. I've been in Milacron for 7 months, and I'm customer representative. What I enjoy most on working on Milacron is the team, or my coworkers. We work as a team to solve a problem, and they always have helped me in any problems I've had on helping the customer.
Hi, my name is Brian Lowe. I've been a Milacron employee now for 44 years. I am a flow lead in the injection cell. Knowing what Milacron has done for my family and my father and grandfather and them, it always was able to be a provider for us. And with 2 daughters through college and able to help support my grandson. So with that being said, Milacron is still a strong company, and they are able to provide for anyone that wants to come here and work through Milacron. It's very good, strong leadership, and they believe in their employees.
My name is Nico Radula. I'm the Vice President of Aftermarket, and I joined the organization in April. So what I enjoy most about working at Milacron is really the family aspect. It truly is a great family to work with. You show up every single day, everyone says hello to you, there's lots of smiles, there's great camaraderie, both within the aftermarket organization, across the business as well. Everyone is very welcoming, very friendly, and also it's just a genuinely great place to work.